Hello, good morning to you all. Dear students, yesterday I taught to you all about what are the terms related with national income. At the present, whatever I taught yesterday, only go through this one. After that, I'll teach what are the things related with this one. Okay. Yesterday I taught the basic formulas which are related with national income. The first one you learn that NFI, second you learn NIT, and third is the depreciation. At present, I will solve a few questions for you people which are related with these three basic formulas. Okay? So, one by one problem I will give you and I will solve for you. You check it. Actually, you are able to solve it or not. Okay. And the students, the first question. Calculate. What is the question I am writing for you people? Calculate NDPfc from the following data. Following okay, so what are the terms are there? Items rupees in crore. Okay, first one, depreciation 50, indirect tax 200, subsidy 400, FIFA 1000, okay, FITA 1600, 6 GNPmp 1,20,000. Okay. What are the things are given? First is the depreciation, indirect taxes, subsidy, FIFA, FITA, and the GNPmp. Okay. Then how if this question is there, how to solve? Solution. Dear students, from this question they want to calculate NDPfc. So what you do now? First you write NDPfc. NDPfc. Whenever you calculate this, okay, they want to calculate NDPfc. For this one data is given. From where you want to calculate? Now one term is given in that question, GNPmp. So what you do? Now you write it GNPmp. Okay. Yesterday I taught you how to equalize the equation. What you need? Either you write GNPmp in the left and NDPfc in the right, no problem. But the question asks you calculate NDPfc. So better you write that NDPfc in the left hand side. You want FC, MP is given in the right hand side. FC is equal to MP minus NIT. You can go through your formula and you can check that. Okay. Second, that the product or price both are same. And here we want a domestic. We want a domestic and a national is given. Domestic is equal to national minus NFI. Okay. And what is the third one? Now we want a net. Gross is given. Net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Are you getting? Once again, F is equal to MP minus NIT. Domestic is equal to national minus NFI. Net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Okay. So after that, what will do? Now you put that data what is given in the question. Okay. GNPmp how much is given? Now 1,20,000. After that, in the question, actually NIT is not given, but yesterday I taught you NIT is the difference between IT minus a subsidy. Then what you do, right? What you write here? Now IT is given the question 200 and the subsidy is given 400. Okay? If NIT is not there, what you do? Now you write in the place of NIT IT minus a subsidy. Then after that, what is called NFI is not given the question, but for NFI given that theta and theta. That means NFI here I will write IT minus a subsidy, and here you write theta minus a theta. Okay? Then you put that a minus sign, then a theta 1000, theta 1600. You put both in the bracket, and last one depreciation given how much? Now depreciation is given 50. Okay? Are you getting? Then to calculate this one. 1,20,000. If you deduct this one 200 minus 400, that is minus 200. And if you put that minus, and if you deduct this one, that is minus 600. And then minus 50. Okay? Then 1,20,000 minus into minus, that is plus 200, and this minus into minus, that is plus 600, put in the bracket and then minus 50. Okay? Then if you come here, then you find out how much you are getting. That is 0, and this is 0. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 0 to 1. 1,20,800. Clear? And after that, how much you deduct? 50. That is called 120. That is 750. So this is your answer. Kindly we go through this answer. Once again check it. We put in the place of GNPmp, we have written 1,20,000. After that, in the place of NIT is not there, so what you do? 200 IT minus a subsidy, 200 minus a 400, you find out minus 200, but before that on the bracket minus was there, so minus into minus, then you find out plus 200 is there, and after that NFI is not there, but it is written that FIFA and theta. So if NFI is not given in the question, what you do? Now this is the difference between a factor income from abroad and a factor income to abroad. So what you do? Now you deduct 1000 minus 1600, you find out minus 600. Then minus into minus a plus is there, then you add all these three and deduct 50, then your answer is 1,20,750. Okay? Then go to the next question. But your second question, suppose question number 2, if I put that question number 2, calculate GDPfc from the given data, from the given data. Okay? Then items and rupees in crore. Okay? First one. NNPmp 90,000. Consumption, other name of depreciation is called consumption of fixed capital is given that 1,200, and here your NIT is given 1,600. After that, which is left, NIT depreciation. After that, mention that FIFA 1,600 and the theta 1,900. Okay, so this is the question. Whatever you observe, this is a direct question. Here, everything is given, only in the place of NFI, we write FIPA minus FITA. Okay. So what you want to calculate? Now you want to calculate GDPfc. So you write here your answer GDPfc. From where you want to calculate? And to calculate this one data is giving the question NNPmp. Then you write NNPmp. Dear students, yesterday I told how to equalize. Now we want FC. FC is equal to MP minus NIT. Okay. Then your PP remains same. We want a domestic national is given. So minus NFIA. And you want a gross. Gross is equal to net minus depreciation. Okay. Whatever I taught yesterday, same thing I revise. You check it. If you have any doubt, you write in that comment box. I will help you. Okay. Once again, you want FC. FC is equal to MP minus NIT. You want a domestic national minus NFIA. You want a gross net minus a depreciation. Okay. Then in the place of NNPmp, you write how much is given in the question? 90,000. First you write the question in that your notebook. After that you can solve. So NIT directly given how much? 1600. But for the NFIA, what you will do? Now you write NIFA is the difference between FIPA minus FITA. That is 1600 minus 1900. And after that depreciation is given how much? Now depreciation, here depreciation, that means the other name of consumption of fixed capital, otherwise known as depreciation. So you write that is 1200. Okay. Confusion should not be there. The students, confusion should not be there. Go through the data, check it. After that, you can put the data. Then 90,000, that is 1600. You open the, if you deduct this one, how much? Minus 300 and minus 1200. Then in 90,000 minus 1600 minus into minus plus 300 minus 1200. Dear students, here what you have observed, now here two plus are there. This is plus and this is plus, but these two are in minus. So what you do? Now you add plus first, after that you can add a minus. Okay, what you do? Now 90,000 plus 300, put in the bracket, after that put the minus, then write 1600 plus 1200. Then you find out to 90,000 is 300, and it is how much? Now it is 16. If you add this 2, you find out 2200. Okay. Then you deduct this one. And 0, 0. 13 minus 8, 5 is there. 9 minus 2, 7 is there. And here is how much? What is called? Once again you check it. 0 minus here, if I do 89 00 280 00 and 0 0. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Then here 9 to 7 and here is 8. So your answer is what is called 87,500. Are you getting? You can check this answer also. You check the question and you go through the answer. What answer you find out. If any difference is there or any problems there, you can write in the comment box. Okay. Then come to next one. Another question I will solve for you. After that, I will proceed to the methods to calculate national income. Okay. Here only some changes are there. In the place of what is called that GDPfc, you write for you people I am writing calculate NDPmp. Calculate NDPmp from the given data. Okay. Then what are the items are there? The first one is mentioned depreciation 1,500. After that is mentioned that GST 2,600. After that is mentioned that subsidy 3,200. And we proceed to next one, depreciation, GST, subsidy, and another is known as what is called your NFI is mentioned that minus 2400, and last one is given GNPfc. GNPfc is given 1,34,000. Are you getting? But this question is there, and here you one thing you observe that your NFI is mentioned that minus, that shows your FIPA is less than theta, or we can say that theta is more than FIPA. And here that GST should not confuse. GST is otherwise known as here what to do is known as indirect tax. Okay, so come to our solution. What you want to calculate? Now you want to calculate NDPmp. NDPmp. Because in this question they want to calculate NDPmp. From where you want to calculate? Now one data is given. Now GNPfc is given in the question. So you write GNPfc. Okay? Then what you do? Now first you equalize the equation. But the previous question fc was left and mp was right. But here when mp is left and fc is the right, no problem. You want mp, market price is equal to factor cost plus NIT. Okay? After that, you want a domestic, PP mentioned, you want a domestic and national is given. Domestic is equal to national minus NFI. And you want a net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Okay? So come to our what's called first equalize the equation, after that you can calculate. Okay. GNPfc is given how much? Now 1,34,000. And NIT is not given, but what you write? Now in the place of NIT you write IT minus subsidy. Your IT is how much? Now your IT is given 2600 and the subsidy is given 3200. Okay? And after that minus is there, put that minus and NFI, but NFI is given also minus 2400. Once again, dear students, in the formula minus is there, but in the question NFI is given a minus. For formula I have written that minus, and for question you write a minus 2400. And what the value of depreciation is given? And depreciation is given 1500. Okay? Then 1,34,000. If you deduct this one, how much you are getting? Now you are getting minus 600. That is 26 means 4, 4 means minus 600. And here minus into minus, that is plus 2400, and after that minus 1500. Okay? Then what happened? Now here 2 plus are there, 2 minus are there, same question. 134 plus 2400, and after that put minus 600 plus 1500. Not getting? For that minus, because minus is there, I take that common, what is called common, and after that 600 plus 1500. Then how much you are getting? You are getting 0, 0. After that it is 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 1, 3. And here how much you are getting? Now this is 2100. Are you getting? Once again, you add both this, you add that 1,34,000 plus 2400, how much you are getting? That is 4 means 2, 6, 6400, and here 1500. 15 plus 6, 2100. So that is 0, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, and after that 6 minus 2, 4, and after that what you do? What happened? Okay, 0, 0, 4, 1, 3, 6, 2, 4, then 3 and 1. This is your answer. I think this is given. No, some changes are there. Okay? Are you getting? So you solve about a few questions from your book. If you want to if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. In the next class, I will discuss about this one. Okay? So at present, after this one, we go through different methods to measure national income. Measurement of national income by different methods. Okay. What is the heading? Now methods to calculate national income. The students remember that each and every method, whatever may be the method, but each and every method, national income remains same. Maybe the methods are different, but your national income remains same. If someone asks the question to you, how many methods are there so far as your syllabus is concerned, there are 3 methods. First one is known as product method, other is known as value added, industrial origin. Okay. Second one is known as income method, and third one is known as expenditure method. In the examination, either they want to ask the question to you, calculate a national income by income method or expenditure method, or sometimes they want to calculate that GDPfc or GDPmp, whatever maybe they can ask. They can calculate what is called by using the first product method. You calculate something. Okay, there are 3 methods are there: product, value added, other is known as value added, other is known as industrial origin, second income, third is known as expenditure method. Okay, one by one I will discuss. First I discuss about that product method. Dear students, under this method, whatever may be your question, always you calculate GVAMP, gross value added at a market price, or GDPmp, gross domestic product at a market price. Are you getting what I am saying? Under this method, whenever you see the question, whatever may be the questions, you remember that you calculate either GVA or GDP. Okay? Are you getting? Okay. How to calculate? And the formula is value of output minus intermediate consumption. Value of output minus intermediate consumption. What are the component value of output? Na sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Okay? Then come to sales. Change in stock. What are the how to calculate change in stock? Na closing stock minus opening stock. Then this is about the first method. Once again, better, what is given in the question? Now calculate GDPmp or GVmp from the following data, or sometimes they want to calculate value of output, sometimes they want to ask the question to you, calculate IC or NPfc or calculate sales, whatever may be the question. But you remember that you calculate GVmp or GDPmp. Okay, then what are the component of sales? Now sales having 2 components. One is called export, second is called domestic sales. If in the question sales is mentioned, so there is no use of these 2. Once again, if the sales is given in the question, there is no use of these 2, export and domestic sales, no use. If it is not given, then you can add both, then you find out the sales is there. Sometimes in the question, export is not there, but only domestic sales are there. You take that domestic sales is known as your sales. Then come to IC. If IC's intermediate consumption is not given, then what you do? Now this is known as import of raw material. Only you are taking that raw material. Import of raw material. Raw materials. Second, what is called the purchase of raw material. But import means we are purchasing from the rest of the world. Means that one farm can purchase the product from the rest of the world. And the second term is known as purchase purchase of raw material from other farms. Okay, are you getting what I'm saying? If IC is not given, what you do? Now, if import of raw material is mentioned and purchase means here this is domestic. Here two farms are there. For example, it is India, two farms A and B is there. Either A purchase from B or B purchase from A. You comes under here. Okay. And if you come to import of raw material, suppose our country here that suppose not India, you can go through that it is known as Japan, and here another country because our country is bigger one, so it is India. Either India will purchase, if you import a product, then we say India purchase from where? Now that from Japan. So you add both, then you can find your IC. Okay, dear students, at present I conclude here. After some time, means in my next class, I will discuss that second formula, means that second method, income method or expenditure. Okay, so thank you and give your valuable suggestion for this one.